Okay, what happened? What happened first? Enachu?
They don't like
What happened? What happened?
they didn't eat this whole thing.
Bird, huh?
They dropped the seeds.
Bird ஒழுங்கா சாப்பிடலையாம்மா?
No.
ஏம்மா
Not a good manner.
They not a good manners, huh? What is good manners?
Good manners. No spilling. You do correct.
Yes. When you eat, no, don't spill it. சாப்பிடும்போது சிந்த கூடாது. சிந்தனா X bad இல்ல சொல்லும்.
But
Okay.
the birds always do active.
Birds don't have manners.
No, and that's the next.
That's an X.
Yes.
Okay.
You know.
Right.
That's my bird feeder.
What is that?
That's my bird feeder, Dad.
Bird feeder, huh?
Yes. I
So-
feed the birds.
Okay. So what do we do to this bird? இந்த birdக்கு மேனரே இல்லையா? சிந்துதே இது என்ன பண்ணலாம்?
Hey, look around you. There's
What?
something behind you.
What, the Easter eggs?
Yep. But those are old eggs.
Okay, no.
Daddy,
Uh.
this is months.
No, okay, I'm asking you a question. How are we going to teach manners to the birds?
Man, when a bird's flying next to a hen, say, like this,
Okay.
bird, please don't do that. That's not good manner.
So bird கிட்ட அந்த மாதிரி சொல்லுவீங்களா? என்ன சொல்லுவீங்க?
I'll say, that's not good manner, birdie.
Birdie not good manners?
Did you see that?
I didn't hear anything. What do you hear?
I just hear a bird feeding.
A bird breathing?
No, I saw when I was talking, I saw a bird.
You saw a bird?
Yeah, it did tweet.
அப்படி பண்ணுச்சாடி? Wow. Tweet பண்ணுச்சா? Wow. So is that a tweeter bird?
And Daddy, my football color is red and mine. I named that bird Wango. Wango.
So
Wango is my favorite bird.
வாங்கோவா? அப்படி எங்கடா bird இருக்க?
I love that Wango is my favorite bird.
I've never heard of a bird called Wango.
Look, red is my favorite color.
That's okay. But okay. So how are we going to teach manners to the birds?
Dad, I'm going to say
What are you going to say?
don't do that. Birds, say that.
Don't do that, bird.
And don't do your bad manners.
Bad manners. Spilling is bad manners. பயங்கரமா ஸ்பில் பண்ணிருக்க. Do we have to punish the bird? What do you think?
No punishing to birds.
No punishment to birds, huh?
No.
Okay.
When someone's doing bad things, they go time out.
Time out. So you wanna do time out to the birds?
Yes.
Okay.
Time out, birds. But
You-
they're not here now.
So when they come back, we'll give time out to birds, okay?
But Dad, when we do time out for birds, they fly away, and we have to chase them.
Yeah. So what do we do now?
How about a net?
Net. You mean we capture them and what?
Dad, net is for catching things when they run away.
Oh, is it?
Yes.
Oh, I didn't know that.
Like
Okay.
dogs run away, like cats run away.
So we put net to catch a dog.
Dad, we don't have a net.
So what do we do now?
Daddy, I have cousins.
You have cousins? Where did this come from, Shalmali?
I'm not a cousin.
Okay. What's your cousin name?
It's new cousin.
Okay. What is the name of your cousins?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Daddy,
Hmm.
I got an idea.
What idea?
I'll put one.
No, you're not putting anything. Come back here.
This is my.
Give it to me. You're not putting anything down there. Give it to me. Suddenly அப்படியே குரங்கி மேலே இருக்கும். குடிங்க.
Daddy,
All right.
do you know what this is?
What's that?
A leaf.
Oh, is it? I didn't know that.
Do you know what this is?
Don't take all those yuck things.
You don't
அது
know
தூக்கி
it.
போடாதலாம். So எனக்கு okay, tell me how bird feed இருக்கு, bird எப்படி வந்து இது சாப்பிடும்? Tell me how. எனக்கு
Like seeds.
They don't like seeds?
So, this is our vacuum cleaner.
Is it?
Yes.
Wow.
It cleans super duper.
It cleans super duper?
Yes.
It's a super duper vacuum machine?
Yes.
Nice.
When you move it, it does.
Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Super duper இருக்கு இந்த vacuum cleaner.
No, this is not a vacuum cleaner.
Okay.
Do you know what goes like this?
Okay. What's airplane?
Yes, airplanes go like this.
Okay.
They have wheels to go.
They have wheels to go?
Yes.
So I thought they fly. They don't fly then?
But Dad, they need wheels to fly.
Does that mean the car can fly?
No.
Car has wheels.
Yes, but it doesn't fly. Look,
Why not?
it doesn't have wings to fly.
Oh.
Whoa.
So you fly with your wings, not with your wheels then. So if I give you a wing, can you fly?
Yes,
Wow.
but don't forget wheels to fly.
No. So then I have to give you wheels too. I have to give you both wheels and wings, right?
Dad, do you think, Dad, do you know, is this a wheel?
That's leg.
Yes, but do you know what this?
That's wheel.
Yes, and look on the front side.
What's that?
It's a police.
It's a police.
Yes, when cars go around, look out! Police ring, and they catch people.
They do?
Yes.
I didn't know that.
Excuse me.
Yeah, I do here. Looks like a baby's crying, right?
Yes. Do you hear it? Yeah. I hear it. I think it's big. Dad, I love Daddy.
Mm.
Yes. I better put this gun on the coat.
Okay.
And then,
You better put that thing. Yes. You better put that
Hey,
thing.
do you know this butterfly?
This is that a butterfly? I thought that's a bird.
No, this is not a bird.
Uh-huh. What's that there?
It doesn't tweet. It's a butterfly.
Oh, it cannot tweet, it cannot sing?
Dad,
Uh-huh.
this butterfly, I learned about this butterfly in Diego.
In Diego? What's the name of this butterfly then?
It's some butterfly.
You don't know, you don't know.
Daddy,
It's called, let me give you a clue. It starts with M.
Emmo.
No. Monarch butterfly. Monarch.
Daddy,
Hmm.
I learned a tweeting butterfly singing in my TV.
You did? Okay, okay. Tell me this. Come here. So, chalo. Butterfly எப்படி வரும்? Butterfly எப்படி
In Mexico, cool.
In Mexico la cocoon le area arrive.
I told
Okay.
a caterpillar.
A caterpillar. First what comes? A caterpillar or a butterfly?
A caterpillar.
What does a caterpillar do?
It makes a cocoon and it stays in the cocoon.
It makes a cocoon and stays in the cocoon. Then
Then it turns into a beautiful butterfly.
it starts into what? Tell me again.
It's a beautiful butterfly!
Ready already. Okay.
Daddy, this is a fish.
Where? Oh, that okay. Are you feeding your fish daily?
Yes, I did.
Don't lie.
I did.
Who is feeding the butterfly? Who is feeding the goldfish? You are mommy.
Me.
No, you're not. Liar.
No.
Okay. Alright. Okay, another question. So, what does the caterpillar do? What does the caterpillar eat?
It eats a lot of leaves.
Lot of leaves? Wow. Why does it eat lot of leaves? Why does it eat lot of leaves?
Because it gets big and strong.
It gets big and strong because it needs that in the cocoon to become a butterfly?
Yes.
Alright.
But butterflies don't eat stars.
Butterfly don't eat what? Strongs. What do you mean? Okay.
Dad,
Alright. You wanna get ready? Let's go out.
Dad, do you see what happens? Ha!
Haha. Hee hee. Alright, let's get ready. Let's go out.